Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Celine. As you can see, my hair, my pony is slaying. So yeah, today guys, I'm coming up to you with a hair tutorial and makeup. If you're interested, please keep watching. As you can tell, this hairstyle is super simple for my beautiful mom and ladies out there. If you're struggling with hairstyle when it comes to summer, because it's not every time wig, because now we are having a very hot weather out there. So yeah, I washed my hair a day before, super dry, super dry. As you can see, I'm just going to basically start working my way out. I'm just going to pattern my hair into two. I'm going to part my hair into two, like I said, and then I'm going to start from the back section. But before that, I'm just going to put the front side into out of the way so that we can work our way properly. So this bottle of water, there is nothing inside, just normal water. There is no product at all. I'm basically just going to be spraying this all over the section that I sectioned at the back area, so that my hair can get wet, and then I can apply gel as much as I can so that I can slay my pony to the gut, honey. Okay, so I'm just going to take my comb, detangle it, and yeah, and I'm going to be taking my argan cream of nature oil. I'm just going to apply a little bit so we can have a bit of shine, because we don't want our hair to be too dull. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to take my hairbrush. I'm just going to try to brush it upward so that it can really slick upward to the direction I want it to be. I'm taking this Eco Style Gel Professional. I'm just going to basically start massaging the hair with a gel. I'm not patting any pattern. I'm just basically just going to be working the gel onto my hair, massage it, brush it. I noticed that I have a gel all over every strand of my hair, so I'm just going to be taking the hair tie. I'm just rubber band or hairband. I'm just going to put that aside. I'm done with the back section, so I'm going to be moving to the front, because the front is more hair, so I just had to pattern it to two and then start from one side. So I'm just going to basically do the same method that I did at the back area. I'm just going to do it at the front. So for the meantime, just keep enjoying. Bear it in mind guys, you have different options. If you want to put your hair into a pond, so you can put it at the middle, you can put it at the back, you can put it at the front. So mine is going towards the front because my life is always going to the front. Okay, I don't want to be back. So guys, as you can tell, I'm pretty much done. All what I did, I just removed the hairband, and then I tried to put everything together to be in one pond, and is going to slick at the front area. So I'm just going to stick going ahead and apply gel. I'm just going to take a hairband. I'm just going to put my hair into a pond, exactly the place I want it to be. Okay, so I'm going to be wrapping my hair around. So I'm going to be taking extra hairband just to secure it for any fallout. I'm going to be taking my Rada dye, my Riviera extra mousse. I'm just going to apply it so that it can hold properly. As you can tell, we are pretty much done. I love the way it looks like, exactly what I want, and then I got it. So I'm going to be making a baby. I'm not making any baby. I'm not really that fun when it comes to edges. I'm just going to make it at least look alive, a bit realistic, you know what I mean, a baby girl hairstyle. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the hair tie. I'm just going to tie my hair. I'm going to be taking this Urbandecay eye primer potion. This one is called Eden. I love to use this eyeshadow primer especially when I'm going to be doing a very sharp color, you know, sharp. So I'm going to be taking these two Nyxcosmetic palettes. One is Tropic and the other one is Ultra Matte. So I'm going to be taking that beautiful brownish, kind of brownish. I'm just going to start to apply that on my outer corner and then blend towards my inner corner area, just a very tiny bit. And the brush I'm using to do that is by Bhcosmetics small round brush. I love this brush a lot. I'm going to be taking extra precise brush to blend. I'm just going to gently, you know, blend it out a little bit. And the brush is a bit flat, okay, it's a bit flat and fluffy at the same time. So I'm going to be taking that orange shade. I'm just going to be applying it on my crease as well. As you can tell, I'm not transferring it, I'm just trying to leave it there so that it can pop out very sharp. And at the same time, I'm using the same brush just to feather out the edges for any harsh line and take that beautiful orange. As you can tell, it's super bold, trust me. Right now you are going to be telling the difference. As you can see the difference, we have more life right now. From left and right, you can see the difference. So I'm just going to basically apply that on top. At the same time, feather it out, blend it out for any harsh line. I want that orange shade to remain exactly on my crease, okay? So yeah, I'm going to be taking my concealer brush, taking that Urbandecay primer, eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to basically cut my crease in a cat's eye. I'm going to be taking that beautiful peachy shade from my middle lid to my outer corner, okay? That's the right explanation. So I'm going to be taking that beautiful pink shade. I'm going to be applying it on my inner corner. Guys, I'm really happy the way this look turned out too. As you can tell, I'm loving the look already. I'm loving the look. So yeah, all the brushes, guys, they are going to be listed down below, okay? So yeah, as you can tell, I'm happy with the result. Move to my face. For now, I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm just going to be applying that all over my face and take the Nyxcosmetics professional brush. I'm just going to use that to dab all over my face. Okay, today I'm a bit ranty, but you guys love me the way I am. Thank you. So I'm going to be taking that Kiko brush and with the Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, I'm just going to set my face a little bit. You know your girl produces a lot of oil, okay? So I always do this when I know I'm going to be wearing heavy makeup like this. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking the Hudabeauty foundation in the shade Nutmeg and then mix it with the Urbandecay All Nighter Weightless foundation in the shade number 11. So yeah, I'm just going to, you know, start to blend this foundation, guys. The Hudabeauty foundation is a bit dark because in summer I'm more darker. I've said this on my previous video, so as you can tell, it was a bit darker, so that is why I apply a little bit of the Urbandecay Weightless foundation, not All Night, I'm sorry, Urbandecay Weightless foundation, okay? So it kind of matches everything, kind of it balances the Hudabeauty foundation, that's the right word, okay? So yeah, as you can tell, my face is a bit dark, but anyways, so to conceal under my eye, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade 13, and I'm going to be using 12 on top because the 13 was a bit too dark. You know, I love to be extra. I'd lie for you, baby. I'm going to be taking the darker shade. This one is a shade 16. I'm just going to use that to contour, to chisel my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, all this jazz, okay? I'm going to be taking this small NYX foundation brush. I'm just going to blend the contour shade out. I'm going to be taking my Rather Die Beauty Blender by Dior. I'm just going to use that to blend the lighter shade. If you don't want your nose to crease on you, darling, you need to pull it at the side. No hard feelings. It won't hurt nobody, okay? Going to be setting under my eye with the Estee Lauder loose setting medium coverage before I apply the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, because if I just directly apply the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, trust me, it's going to look scanty. I can't use it alone. So for this, I had to apply my face powder before I apply the setting powder. I'm going to be contouring my face or bronzing my face, taking the Rihanna bronzer. I'm just going to be bronzing my face with that, and this one is called Mocha My Me. So yeah, I'm going to be contouring my nose as well. You know, I always do this with the same bronzer, but very little bit, because this bronzer is a bit in the reddish tone. So you need to be careful, girl. You need to be careful, don't be carried away. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to basically use that Estee Lauder loose setting powder just to, you know, set all over my face, but not that much because I don't want my highlight to disappear. Just very soft handed. So yeah, to line my eye, I'm going to be taking Manhattan. The name is ridiculous. Manhattan gel liner. I'm just going to be, you know, winging my eye out. Guys, I'm going to be doing a very bold liner today because that was the look. That was the eye look I was going for. But I'm not going to be applying the same black gel liner on my waterline. I'm going to be going in with another liner, okay, because I don't want it to be too bold. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this Kiko Hate Heart or Kiko blue liner. I'm just going to, you know, define my crease more. I'm going to be define my crease more because I'm going for that crazy cut crease look, okay? You know, I love to do cut crease, one of my favorite look because it's super dramatic. So move to my waterline. I'm going to be taking this Max Factor eyeliner, and this one is in beige. I'm just going to, you know, line my waterline for more dimension. I'm going to be taking that orange you want to apply on my crease. I'm just going to be applying it on my outer corner, and for my inner corner I'm still going to be taking that pink shade because I want everything I apply exactly the shade that I apply on my upper lid, okay? So I'm going to be taking this blush by Patrick Starrr. This one is called Take Me Home. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this mascara by Love. I'm just going to be applying this on my lashes and then later apply it on my bottom lashes as well. You guys know I love to use this mascara as well. For highlight, to glow to the girls, like I always say, I'm going to be taking the ABH highlighter. I'm just going to be highlighting my cheekbone, my forehead, my chin on my cupid's bone, and my forehead, all those jazz, you know what I mean. I'm going to be using extra precise small brush for my brow bone and for my nose and for my inner corner, guys. I'm obsessed with this look, like seriously, I'm obsessed. When I mean obsessed. So to put my makeup in place, I'm going to be taking the Urbandecay All Nighter setting spray, just a very tiny bit. So for my lips, I'm going to be taking the Alverde Natural Cosmetics in the shade Brunette, which is brown. I'm just going to be lining my lips. You know I love to line my lips extra to give me more extra voluminous. So for lipstick, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline, yeah, and I'm just going to be applying that on my lips, and this one is called Nude number 55. So yeah, for extra glossy, I'm going to be taking my all-time OG lip gloss. This one is by This one is by Nyxcosmetics, and the shade, I don't know, I'm going to leave it down below. So yeah, I'm loving this look, guys. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it, girl. So I'm going to be popping my lash shade for this eye look. I'm loving the way it flaring out. It's not fluffy, it's not scanty, but it's just like, you know, sharp. Anyway, guys, I'm done with my face, and my hair is also half dry. Let me say 70% dry. I'm going to be taking this Afro Puff, that one I got from Amazon. It was 16 euro. So I'm just going to be, you know, it has a strap on it in case when you apply it on your hair. It also has a clips, so when I apply it on the back of my head, and it's going to hold, it's not going to be shaking. I'm just going to gently draw the strap so that it can really hold properly. And then afterwards, I'm just going to basically try to, you know, secure it with the strap that is not going to be moving from left to right. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. If you guys enjoy something like this, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like, and as well hit the notification bell so when I have a pop video like this, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, love you, ciao. Mwah.